Linking your bank account to Adobe is a straightforward process that allows for seamless transactions for services like Adobe Creative Cloud. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Log into your Adobe account. Visit the Adobe website and log into your account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding. Step 2. Navigate to payment options. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Add Bank Account. In the Payment Options section, find the option to add a new payment method. Choose bank account as your preferred payment method. Step 4. Enter bank details. Fill in the required information, including your bank account number, routing number, and any other requested details. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes. You may receive a verification email or notification to finalize the linking process. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account will be linked to your Adobe account, allowing for easy payments for your subscriptions. If you encounter any issues, refer to Adobe support resources for assistance.